If I was to recommend MooMonitors, I'd tell them they're very good value for money. My name is John Coughlan. We're in Breed at Tallaght, County Waterford. I'm milking 170 cows here in the home block. I installed the MooMonitor Plus about 3 years ago. Before the collars, I was using tail paint only. I decided to install the MooMonitors to improve fertility and try and get more cows in calf and keep in calf. I looked at 2 or 3 different companies and Dairymaster just seemed to be giving the best service. Having the collars means that I can take time off and I can leave anybody else milk the cows, knowing that the cows are being monitored and I can watch them on the phone wherever I am. The most useful thing I find on the collars is the heat detection. This year I'm running at 4.5% empty rate, and previously it would have been 8-9% empty rate. Collars have made a big difference in the heat detection. They are very good with heat. The app is easy to use, it's very easy to use, it's very straightforward. You literally just press the button of whatever comes up and it brings you into wherever you need to be. There's a lot of useful information on the app just to physically go through it and work out what you need to know on it and find out why she's doing what she's doing.